Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're going to unbox the portable power bank for the Osmo Pocket. This is something that I've seen around. Haven't really seen any reviews on it though, oddly enough, but I'm very curious to see how this thing works. Now I will tell you, it was shipped from China. It took forever to get here. Must have been on a slow boat, but it came in a manila envelope that didn't have a whole lot of packing in it, and the box is a bit crushed. So hopefully what's inside is okay. So again, this is the portable power bank for the Osmo Pocket by StarTrc. StarTrc. Let's get moving. Okay, now unboxing this thing. Again, we have just a lot of pictures and words and all that kinds of neat stuff. StarTrc.com has a little bit of information on the back, but it's kind of covered up with a sticker. Again, made in China. Could open this thing up. Pull this out. Oh, there we go. Well, actually, the box itself, it has like this rubberized thing, like a rubberized box. It's kind of neat. All right, so I'm starting to feel a little better about it. And inside, you have, oh, there we go. We have all the instructions, features, specifications, what's supposed to come in the box, which is a portable power bank, and the manual, which is, of course, portable power bank and the manual. So we did get those. It does have LEDs on the side. Let's see. And it looks like you can just charge this. Oh yeah, just charge this with a regular phone charger. All right. Or you can charge it with your computer. Just open this thing up. Alrighty. So here is where you charge it up at. Sort of USB input here. You have to supply your own cable to do that. And I'm assuming this is probably the power button. Oh, yes it is. That's the power button, as you can see. All 4 bars are there, which actually means it is pretty fresh. So let's go ahead and put this on the Osmo Pocket, which actually you're viewing me right now. But I'm going to take this Osmo Action and tape what it looks like and see if it actually gives power to the Osmo Pocket. Okay, as you can see, it is down a little bit as far as how much of a battery charge we have. Let's go ahead and turn this off. Turn it back on again and see if it gives us a percentage. Well, we are at 68%. So, if we pop in the Osmo Pocket power bank, you can see on the inside here there is a plug that goes right in the bottom of the Osmo Pocket, and you see a big end and a small end. The big end actually goes to the back of the Osmo Pocket, where you have the DJI imprint. And of course, the button, the power bank button, is where the other buttons on the Osmo Pocket should be. So that kind of gives you an idea how to line it up. Just kind of pop it right on in. Ooh, looks like it automatically turns on when needed. That's nice. And as you can see, it is powering. So this thing does work. I am excited. Now this, of course, means that we can do a lot more outside. Now the battery for the Osmo Pocket actually lasts pretty long time, but with this extra power bank, we can do even more. So again, very, very excited. Well, thank you for coming along with me for unboxing the portable power bank for the Osmo Pocket by StarTech. I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it. And as always, have a great day.